Welcome back to Primetime News, and on a special programming note, this is an abbreviated edition of Primetime News. We'll end at 8 p.m. this evening to facilitate a paid broadcast.
A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onesmartmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce is warning that the proposed increase to the national minimum wage could disrupt the economy and lead to unemployment.
Days before the general election, the Prime Minister has promised to double the minimum wage over the next 5 years. The minimum wage would therefore move from $16,000 to $32,000.
At a press conference today, the JLP defended the move, but the JCC wants consultation.
Andrea Chisholm explains.
In its 2025 manifesto, the JLP specifically stated it would reduce income tax from 25 to 15% over the long term. But number 76 in the JLP's manifesto lacked specifics. It just stated the intention to continue increasing the minimum wage.
Now, we can argue over the specifics of it. Manifestos are not intended to give specifics. That comes after the fact with a discussion.
JCC President Philip Ramson is not pleased.
For them to just decide 2 days before the election that they're going to announce minimum wage increases and significant ones where over 5 years they're going to double it to 32,000. That has a big effect on the business community, especially the MSMEs. So for us, I'm concerned where this came out without consultation, no consideration with the business community or all the other entities. So for us, I just want to make sure that before any increases is announced that they have this consultation with the necessary bodies.
The issue of consultation was put to the JLP's campaign director, Dr. Christopher Tufton. For example, consultation with the National Minimum Wage Commission. And how did the JLP arrive at the $32,000 figure?
We use data that is available in the public domain. We have our own advisors who are professionals, and we consult with groups to the extent that they are interested to be consulted. But you have to be careful how you get into manifesto building involving ministries and ministry personnel for fear that you are accused of politicizing these organizations.
The JCC acknowledges the importance of ensuring that all Jamaicans earn a livable wage. But since any increase in the minimum wage could result in increased unemployment or costs being passed on to consumers, such decisions must be grounded in collaboration and transparency. The JCC wants both parties to provide detailed explanations of how they would fund and implement major commitments in their manifestos or those made on political platforms to ensure the promises do not undermine Jamaica's economic resilience. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.